Hey guys, welcome back to Curls on Demand. Today I'm going to show you how I did my last silk press with no heat damage. I'm starting off on clean, washed, dryish braided hair. As you can see, my hair is already in 4 sections, so I'll work through my hair section by section. Alright, so for today's silk press, I'll be moisturizing my hair with the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream. I will not be using too much of this as I don't want to weigh my hair down too much. Neither am I trying to fry it. But the thicker your hair, the more of your moisturizer you will need. I'm unbraiding and moisturizing this section, making sure to get my ends because it's the oldest and driest part of my hair. Then I'm going to use the Silk Elements Heat Protector. I'm going to work that heat protectant all throughout this section. This is one of my favorite heat protectors. I have not experienced any heat damage while using this. In my other silk press videos, I've used my natural heat protectors, which have worked great also, but I'm running really low on those. But you can go ahead and check out those videos if you're interested. I'll link them down below and somewhere up on the screen. Next, I'm using my Felicia Leatherwood brush to make sure that my hair is smooth and doesn't have any unexpected tangles. Then I will separate this section so I have a more manageable section to work with while I'm blow drying my hair. I'm using the tension method for this blow drying process. So first, I will place my brush to the end of my strands and stretch or tug on my hair. And next, I will take my blow dryer. Hold on. Reset. Okay, there. I will blow dry my hair while creating tension with the brush at the end of the strands. Now, for an even straighter blow dry and also to get the ends of my strand straight, I will do this again, but instead I will place the brush close to the base of my hair and slowly glide it down my strands while blow drying. I'll do that again, one more time, and voila! I will go ahead and finish up this section using the same techniques. Do you see how straight this blowout looks? I'm gonna do the next section and I'll be back. Front section complete. Time to go ahead and do the back section. Thank you, baby Jesus. I am done with the blow drying process. Now we're moving on to the flat ironing process. Now I'm using the GHD flat iron, and with this flat iron I don't have to worry about setting the right temperature to avoid heat damage because it does that for me. Now let's not forget those heat gloves because I'm not trying to burn my fingers. And of course, I'm gonna section out my hair again. As y'all know, sectioning is key to making this whole process manageable. Again, I'm gonna use some more of that heat protectant all throughout my strands again to help protect my hair while I'm using the flat iron. Okay, so the gloves are back and my flat iron is hot and ready. I'm gonna make a small section to work with. This is key. If the section is small, one pass of the flat iron should be good enough to make your hair straight, and that'll help with reducing the likelihood of heat damage. Now I'll use a fine-tooth comb to comb throughout my kinks in my hair and keep tension on my hair with my hands. Then I will glide the flat iron from the roots to the ends of my hair, and one pass is enough to straighten the strand to my liking. Now I'll do the same for the rest of the section. This is what the section looks like, and I'm gonna just move on to the rest of my hair. Okay, my entire head is done. This is how my hair looks when it's finished. And I think it looks so healthy. But those ends though, those ends look janky. I'm gonna go ahead and trim off those good for nothing ends. And again, I will place my hair into 4 sections. Then start with a smaller section at the front, comb through it, glide my fingers to the ends, and cut off those bad ends that don't belong. See how it looks now? I'll keep on trimming through smaller sections until I'm through with the entire section. Look at how leveled that looks. So yummy. Now your girl was feeling for some bumped ends, so I got me some bumped ends, okay? And this is what it looks like. I probably should have placed a little more moisturizer in my hair to make it a little smoother, but hey, this will do. This is what my hair looked like after washing. No heat damage, just lovely, luscious curls. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.